This time we have given angle beta expressed in radians and length of side B. We're supposed to find the length of side A, length of side C, and angle alpha. I'm going to start solving this problem from finding the length of side A. I have angle beta given, so I'm going to use the formula with angle beta. Please notice that formula for tangent beta contains angle beta and also contains the length of side B. From this formula I can find length of side A because I have two pieces of information given and I can find very easy the third piece. So that's why I'm going to use formula for tangent angle beta, which is equal B over A. In order to find side A, I'm supposed to multiply both sides of the formula by denominator of my fraction. A and A will cancel out. So I have A tangent beta is equal B. In order to find A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by tangent beta. Tangent beta. Tangent beta and tangent beta will cancel out and I have A is equal B over tangent beta. This is equal B is equal 18.3 millimeters over tangent of 0.741 radians. Please notice that angle is expressed in radians, so you have to switch your calculator to radians. Plugging these values into the calculator, you're supposed to get the answer 20 millimeters. Okay, and this is the length of side A. If you want to find the length of side C, we can use either formula for sine beta or cosine beta because both of them contain C, and sine beta contains side B, which was given, and formula for cosine beta contains the side A, which we just found, so we can use these two formulas to find C, or we can use also Pythagorean theorem. This time I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. So we have C squared is equal A squared plus B squared. C is equal square root of A squared plus B squared. This is equal square root, open parenthesis, and we have side A 20 millimeters to the second power plus side B, which is equal 18.3 millimeters to the second power, and this is equal 27.1 millimeter. Okay, so we found the length of side C. In order to find the angle alpha, you're supposed to remember that angle alpha plus angle beta is equal 90 degrees, but this time the angle is expressed in radians, so 90 degrees converted to radians is equal pi over 2. In order to find alpha, I'm supposed to move angle beta to the right side of my equation. So if alpha is equal pi over 2 minus beta, which is equal pi over 2 minus beta, which is equal 0.741 radians, is equal 0.829 radians. Okay, so we found the length of side A, length of side C, and angle alpha. We can say that the problem is solved.